What's up everyone, it's Danny here. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be making some DIY butter slime. This slime actually feels like butter when you're spreading it on an actual plate, so this is really cool. You're gonna need some glue, cornstarch, food coloring, and shaving cream. You're going to put the entire bottle of glue into a bowl. After you do this, you're going to drop some of the shaving cream. You want it to be fluffy shaving cream, and you can put about half a cup of this for a whole bottle of glue. You're gonna mix them together, and then you're gonna put a couple of drops of food coloring. I chose yellow because, you know, butter is yellow and I wanted to feel like it was actually butter. So I chose yellow, but you can go with whatever color you want. And then you're going to add cornstarch after that slowly until you get the perfect consistency. And that's it. This actually feels like actual butter at some points, and it spreads super easily and it's fun to play with. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for being here, and you guys have an awesome day.
Seekers in the fast lane.